My first portfolio looked polished, a clean grid of images, all laid out neatly, everything visible at once. I thought that was a smart approach. No clicking, no scrolling, just easy access. But something unexpected happened. Visitors would open the page, glance around, maybe click on one image, and then leave. There was no real exploration. That's when I realized that by showing everything, I wasn't guiding anyone. It felt complete, but it had no focus, no sense of flow. So I built a slider instead, one image at a time, with a subtle hint to the next. And suddenly, people stayed longer. They moved through the work, one step at a time, more engaged, more curious. Funny how showing less can make people want more. A slider gives viewers control and keeps your page compact. First, we will have a section. After that, we will have an ID with the value of projects. And we will add area label as featured projects. After that, we will have a heading, and this heading will be featured projects. Then we will have a div for the slider. We will give it a class of slider, and we will assign the rule as region. And then we will write area rule description as carousel. We will have another div with a class of slides. Then we will have another div inside slides, and this will have a class of slide. Inside this div, we will have an image, and this image will represent our first slide image. We will give it a source. After that, we will assign the weight and height of the image, and we will say the alt as project 1. Let's copy and paste this twice. For the second one, we will assign the source as project 2, and we will assign the alt as project 2. And for these two items, we will just change the source and the alt of the page. After that, we will have a button with a class of brief for the previous slide, and we will give it an area label of previous slide. We will have another button for the next slide. We will give it a class of next and the area label as next slide. You could see that we have a featured project section with the 3 images. Now they are not available, and we will have the buttons. It's not functioning carousel yet, but you can see the structure. Let's see the accessibility. Screen readers will announce this as a carousel, nice and descriptive. Here is a challenge for you. Write meaningful alt text. Describe the project, not just project 1. Now let's just commit to GitHub, and we will be done for this episode. Episode 7, we will build an accessible contact form so people can actually reach you.